Hey guys, Sullivan Owen here in Philadelphia. I am really excited to share not just my fall wreath, but the 5 fall wreath kits I created for you to make your own wreath at home. After it's been like 15 months that I've been making YouTube videos, and one of the things that I always think about, because I used to teach some in-person workshops, is that we could work together using the same materials. And when I'm doing these YouTube videos, the chances of you being able to find exactly the right thing to duplicate the designs and some of this, it just didn't seem possible. So dealing with this crazy year, one of my longtime great wholesalers, New York Floral Group, had launched web shop access, and I figured what better time to explore dried, painted, preserved flowers than fall, where we're looking for some color and some life and some longevity out of the things that we make. And I actually think all of the designs, while they are fall to me, I feel like they really carry through to the holiday season. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. It's kind of a montage of, I made 5 instructional videos to go with the 5 individual kits. So I kind of just put together some highlights of the different kits. You can check out all the kits on my website, sullivanowen.com/shop, or there's a link below. My front planters inspired the color palette for the golden lavender, which I am keeping one for my own front door. Unless my niece, Fiona, decides she wants it. I told her she's 5. I told her she could pick out one of the 5 and I would send it to her. 10% of every wreath sold will be donated to Fill Abundance, a local nonprofit that is very, very near and dear to me. It supports families with food insecurity, which going into the colder months this year, people are going to need it more than ever. So I appreciate you guys that can support by buying a kit. I want you to know that while you're supporting me, I will also be sharing with my local community through Fill Abundance. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.